Hi, my name is Rai and today I'm going to show you our living room. Our living space is divided into two parts. On one side we have a lounging area and on the other side we have a work area, and today I'm going to show you the lounging side of it, which has the TV and it also doubles up as a guest room. This entire space is completely baby proofed because when we moved in a year back my baby was just crawling and now she's a toddler, so you can imagine. Now, this is not a very big space, but it's great for us. Let's see what we did with it. This looks like a normal rental apartment door because that's exactly what it is. And as I zoom out, you can see we've hung our coats here. I tried to put a coat rack, but it didn't work because of my toddler. So we are back to hooks. And on the other side, we've got the shoe rack. As you can see, it's a direct entry. There is no special entryway over here. And it's all carpet. So we've got this cloth shoe rack so my daughter cannot get hurt. And also we've tucked the lamp behind the shoe rack so she cannot reach them. We also hide our Wi-Fi and other stuff over there in that corner. This hook is pretty versatile. Sometimes it hangs a bag, sometimes a seasonal decoration like the bells right here. And this chair is for you to sit down and take off your shoes. And this is where we keep our TV and our gaming unit. You think that as a busy parent of a toddler, my husband would not get time to play video games, but that's not the case in our house. If we had a media center, my daughter would again fiddle with it. And the other thing is we get to put this humongous stroller under it. Moving on, this is an extremely versatile piece of furniture that I got from IKEA. It's a single bed that pulls out into a double bed. So we've got two mattresses, and I've put two different bed covers on the two mattresses so that I can keep track of which one is supposed to go for laundry. We have baby proofed all the corners. This is so much better than a sofa bed. You don't need extra mattresses and it's always ready to go, always nap ready. I'm really looking forward to a time in our future when technology finally catches up with our ACs and they stop looking like transformers on the walls. That's not happened yet, so all I could do is put a poster below it. This might trigger your OCD a bit. First of all, this poster was supposed to be horizontal and I've hung it vertically. The poster was not the right size for this frame, and so I had to kind of fold the sides. So it's wrong in so many levels, but I think it still works. I did not want to put anything much on this wall because I love the view. I always wanted a movie view as opposed to a still photograph view. And you can see a lot of cars moving, people walking their dogs, birds coming to the branches. I love to see the weather when I'm working because it helps with my playlist. So all I have placed on this side is an ottoman kind of storage where we put a few things, and you can also keep a drink or a snack if you're lounging on that sofa bed. And then next to it we have this beautiful chair which is kind of see-through. And because it's a rental and we are probably here only for a year, I'm not going to change the blinds. All I've done is spruced it up a little bit with some Christmas decorations and lights that come on every day at 5 p.m. and shut off by themselves at night. Moving on to this wall, this is like the main wall, and this is exactly where they've put the heater vent. Like, that's the first thing you see when you walk in. They didn't even paint it the same color as the walls. So what we did is we put our travel magnets here. We've been in California for only a year. So we've got Vegas, San Diego, San Francisco, Grand Canyon, and of course Hollywood and Disneyland. And we've also given ourselves an Oscar. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Now, as you can see, I've got the customary painting above the sofa down. But I've also got a grid right next to it with a fake plant hanging from it. That's because I wanted to kind of balance out the white thing on the left side with something white on the right side. I am an interior designer's nightmare, like zero cushions on the sofa. That's again because of my daughter. She pulls everything off. So we got this sofa, which is leather, and it's not very deep. And these backs are very soft and they work like cushions. For the same reason, we also couldn't have a coffee table. So we've got these two small side tables which work fine for us. We put our coffee here. We put our laptops and work on them. While I'm binge watching YouTube on my laptop, I can simultaneously binge watch Netflix on my TV. That, I think, is like perfect double utilization of my wasted time. We've also got this huge rug going. It's an indoor-outdoor rug and it's completely flat woven. And it's the best thing to handle all the stains and the crumbs. And when guests come over, we have this 4 feet folding height adjustable table that we take out, and we have the dinner and we move it away when it's done. So that was our living space, at least one side of it. One thing I've learned is that a baby-proof space is not such a bad idea because it also makes an excellent space for a lot of guests and a lot of parties. I don't have to be all jittery about the spills and the crumbs, and also our guests do not have to bother about things knocking over, and there's ample space to move around. And if you did like this video, do like, comment and subscribe, and maybe then I'll get the strength to clean up the other half and show it to you. Bye.